friends, this is Niharika. I am a student of first year IHM Ranchi, and today I am going to prepare momos but with a twist. And this momos is personally invented by me, so I am naming this momos as Weather Shield Momos. So friends, let's begin. Now we are moving to the ingredients, and first we have to make the dough for momos. For this I have taken 200 gram of white flour, some water and oil. So first we have to add 1.5 spoon of oil, and then half spoon salt, and you have to mix it, make a dough. And remember friends, you have to make the dough softer than the dough which you make for chapatis. And now we have to add water according to the white flour, and you have to make the soft dough. Now friends, we can see that now this dough is ready and this is very soft, and we have to leave this for 5 to 10 minutes. Till then we will prepare chutney. For this we need boiled red chilies and tomatoes. Now I am putting these chilies in the mixer grinder. And grind this till fine paste. Now you can see this mixture is ready. Now we have to pour this in a bowl. Now we have the ingredients for the stuffing of momos. Chopped onion, mashed paneer, grated ginger and chopped garlic. Now heat the pan. Now you have to add 1 spoon of oil. Now we have seen that our oil is heated now. So now we have to add 1 spoon of chopped garlic. Now we have to add 1 spoon of grated ginger. Now we have to add onion. Saute it for 3 to 5 minutes. But remember friends, you don't have to change the color of onion. Now you have to add half spoon of salt. Now you have to add half spoon of black pepper powder. Now we have seen that the onion is ready, and now we are going to mix it with paneer. Now I am going to mix it with paneer. And remember friends, the amount of paneer should be less than the amount of onion. Now our stuffing is ready, and now we are going to fill it in momos. Now we have to take chapati rolling board, rolling pin, and I am putting here some drops of oil. And you have to break the dough into pieces like a small lemon. And you have to roll it like a chapati. It is not necessary to make it round because you have to make shapes out of it. Now I'm going to add the stuff in the dough. And remember friends, you don't have to add too much stuff, otherwise your dough may have cracks. Now I'm giving this a shape. Taking one by one. Now we have seen how beautiful shape it is, and we have to prepare all the momos like this. I'm going to keep this on the beaker. Before that, I'm using a few drops of oil over here so that the momos doesn't stick over it. Cover it completely with oil. Now you have to keep it on the top of the beaker and keep the momos. You have to keep this on a middle flame and you have to cover it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for gravy, you have to heat the pan. Now add 2 spoons of oil. Now you have to add the deshelled onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you have to add 2 spoons of capsicum. I have cut it in dice shape. Now you have to add 1 spoon of red bell pepper. Now you have to add grinded onion, but you don't have to make it a fine paste. Now we have to add the mixture of chili and tomato. You have to saute it for 3 to 5 minutes. And now we are going to add salt. Now we have to add a half spoon of soy sauce. Now black pepper powder. You have to add black pepper powder according to your taste. Now we are going to add tamarind water, in which I have added 1 spoon of cornstarch. It is ready now, so we are ready to take it out. Now you have to heat the kadhai. Now you have to add 1 spoon of oil. Now we have to stir fry the momos. I'm using this kadhai and I'm putting this only 2 at a time. Now we have seen that our momos is fried now. You have to make it just golden brown. And now we have to add this in the gravy. Now we have to add this and add in this. And just you have to saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. I hope that you enjoyed this dish, Weather Shield momos, in the lockdown period also with your friends and family, because there is no such ingredient that you cannot find in your kitchen shelves. And I am 110% sure that you're gonna enjoy this dish. And thank you for watching this video. And I hope that you will not forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.